Hey, this is Diễm Hoàng. Welcome. Today, I'm excited to introduce a delectable blend-based ice cream recipe with a unique lemongrass flavor. Let's start it. Make sure to use fresh lemongrass stalks and give them a good power to release their aromatic oils before mixing them into your concoction. This will enhance the overall flavor profile of your ice cream. Coconut and lemongrass offer a wonderfully harmonious flavor pairing to achieve the perfect balance in your ice cream base and ensure the flavor don't become overwhelming. I suggest adding oat milk or any unflavored plant-based milk. Today I'm using oat milk. In a saucepan, lemongrass, oat milk, coconut milk, sugar, golden syrup, and a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and cover with a lid. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, then turn the heat off for another 10-15 minutes. The longer it steeps, the more aromatic the lemongrass flavor will be. Since this ice cream base is blend-based, egg-free, I add arrowroot flour to achieve a wonderfully creamy texture. You can find arrowroot flour at local supermarkets. Once you can smell the lemongrass wafting from the pot, it's time to reheat the saucepan and ensure there are no lumps in your arrowroot flour mixture before adding it into the saucepan. Stir continuously until it thickens and reaches a boil. Then cook for a little bit to fully cook the flour. Just a little bit because you don't want to get burned at the bottom. Transfer the mixture to a container and let it chill in the refrigerator overnight or at least until it's cold enough to churn in your ice cream maker. I typically set the timer for 20 minutes when the machine starts. Once it's done churning, you can transfer the ice cream to the freezer for 1 to 2 hours to firm up. If your machine is powerful enough, you may enjoy it immediately. When serving, I recommend scooping the lemongrass ice cream blend base into a cup. You can enhance your ice cream experience by adding nuts for added texture on the top if you prefer. I also recommend trying gofio, toasted grains, toasted soy flour for a unique twist. It's truly delightful and refreshing. Enjoy it! Thanks for watching and requesting this recipe. Please feel free to request more recipe and catch me on the next video. Bye!